Watch me out of your mommy, no. Come me a fairy, 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 yeah. Sakamenya na tinso saya kama mantu wankwano bi.
Hey ba.
Timenya wide madabuna masobu mu yevisa buja me wana minyebi. Na se mini bia wati ase ma me anopanyu me atamechi. Mimpewe ina mipede ebe ya filio. And it is so much na me de makumenya na baba mawa. Me de me cry na me pede nyina na ka ho. Hada to my sende my worry. Na me bene tentem cross na time pa home. And I'm de makumenya na baba mawa. Me de me cry na me pede nyina na ka ho. Watch me do the yes from ko. Uber come me a ferry. Uber come me a ferry. Come me a ferry. Ah. Come me a ferry. Hey, just come me a hey, you come me a we're in the building, what's it?
You don't need to be told off. What's your voice now to the who is in the building?
Yes, sir.
Hey, over that qua. Munina, over that. Munina. To the universe.
Back up, you know, turn it up. Back up, you know, turn it up. Back up, you know, Onua, turn it up. Onua, we be the boss, be the key players. We run on the streets, we no see haters. Anka rap players, as Yanka 60 acres. Master Gazi punchy, Hamomoto, and Shauber. Go Sakura, and Shauber. Yeah, come up when you and Shauber. Madonna, come over, my Coco Sakura, and Shauber. Yeah, come up when you in came in the Kesamu Kudi, Kaji, Yan Kudi Kuyi, Shuru Kudi, Wanga Waka, hey, Bawa Sabani, Kachiko Funny. Yes, say, the old bro, no one coco, but see, Matume bro, on your best. Ah, make it tame and Yamobo, Menya Kulo, look me never don't come on. Tell the man you not believe in me start. Ah, feeling the boy 6 packs. Yeah, going straight or the zigzag, back back dancing what? Check it one time I made her. Baby two if you say it's a Mandela. I forget it one penna on no crying in I'm in Saki Mijawa and Shaweda. Madonna, come over my Coco Sakura. Yeah, come up here when you hey, Madonna, come over my Coco Sakura. Yeah, come up here when you Jenna, Sneaker, a classic carpenter, Wajisa. Oh, Joe, sweater, that's the pressure. As I say, force on the yes, sir. OPD stretcher, are you? Tabora, Theodora, Coco Sakura. You could just why you're tardy. Ha, oh, Hoko Prewa, I shall
obey that. Come to me at that. Come to me at that. We need the crime, Lelio. Yeah, our studio. Welcome to near 95.1 FM.
Ah, but that's Bahima.
Bibi Aboko.
Namitia CD, we don't mean yet.
Amen. And my boy, you know, in a deep crime way. It's been a while, pa. Oh, my bangers are check.
Obiana, the definition of banger. One thing I like to do is I like to do good music. I mean, good music no mean way. Me measure me jama do for no. Indeed, they will be friend a banger no. And you will be super third choice. Sana me huno.
Oh.
And to me no, I only produce good music, and the good music, you know, say I am a talk asupem. And to me the fact that people can relate to it, or make me that one more bra. I dare your money, man. That alone is enough for me. For bangers in the jama mo, I won't determine the banger.
Because they obi the best and obi the best in the right.
No crap. No crap.
No crap. It's been a while.
Yeah, that's true. It's my first time meeting you actually. So
yes.
It's been a while.
I mean, I just say me who pa. I say my who say a toy and safra no. Wababe kansa.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. I would say with this interview, I even pursued it more.
Oh, pressure.
So me pinpoint it. So I'll show you.
But that's it. Thank you for the honors. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And then of course, what has been happening?
So so far so great. I think that we've had a productive, good 2024 year. Secondly, my unexpected 3 EP aba.
Pressure.
Yes, sir.
Pressure.
Now EP aba, I think that it's here for any actual for as much as some who we are sent in time case and so no pin or say as we the bomb upon near the bayom. And I mean him saying me more come so I tell you how did you compose this? What was the reason behind this? What's the next project? Sometimes they just want to talk to us. And see me so me old traditional person. I still love and always will love the traditional media. That's how come I'm here to talk about the Unexpected 3 and all relating stories.
Yeah, that's be brilliant. Album the sound our friend.
Unexpected 3 EP. Yeah, 3 songs and there was 3 producers, 3 music videos, 3 live instrumentalists, 3 different styles. Sana meeting
That's unexpected.
This is the part 3.
The yen share any musay benya.
They winning nano. Ba now saka.
I am sure said DJ Kobo war.
Okay.
Na said the uncle see door na your door was your door no.
Yeah.
Unexpected ampa. You need that's so brave album.
Yeah.
DJ Kobo. Thank you. This one is Eva.
No correct.
First on the album.
Yes. Eva. The Eva song itself. As much as I did, it stands for acronym. It stands for acronym actually.
Oh, it stands for something.
No correct.
Every
vulnerable akuma.
Every vulnerable akuma.
Every vulnerable Eva.
Let's say broken hearted bia no.
Now, I think some Rena acquire Obi Bahaman level.
Okay.
Obi Bahaman in the sense that has been far away from you for a while. Because that's our show, Bobet or mother. And I say it was a 3-day plan. To see how we can acquire 1 week, and then 1 month, and then 1 year. And so Bibiana or that's a Aquana Subia Eva or train Eva.
Let's just say what for your door when you're Jina or door. Or so or Bassisia, Nanso or dog could dinansa. Or dog could be a fate.
So what shall I say? Make say me a hard guy. Many make or some car plate. Whoa. I dare son Subinan die. Or dosha me bought a 10 days. Whoa. Na me ye ma pro. Ube who me girls in my benzo. Now so what that to me chalk? Do you cry, mama? Me scholar cry. Me say hell no. Check days are running so fast. My me baby girl, soft chest, any hag. Ah, even pa one funny shoe, one funny bags. On permit on can me nose marks.
Oh. And you name abo.
What you say?
Aye, and you name
baby. They said you money, but a moon 7 so deep.
Say, unya broken heart and I won't moon 7. This a unya no what nasi. Na they are too slow. Now we just say, hey, come and be a mammy.
Okay.
That's a personal experience and
there be me picture. Obi bia Eva. I want a brabum.
Very relatable. Bia at a point to be a Filibida.
No correct. No correct.
Obia Filibida. So Obi your phone lies is Obi and share it. Yeah. You young koi. You young koi. Me a cry at a point in life. No. You feel so no as I can't kwan. I say or do way or do koi up. Oh, they know or ban when you're mad.
And you no. Me go so train or say 10 days.
Oh, boy, sometimes it feels like when you be a baby.
And want to make a
and I want to make her.
And they even you.
Sometimes it feels say, oh, so he'll be an evening at Jaya and Edding. Into yes, I was away for some time. Now communication and casa breaky.
Naturally.
And I break up and you're difficult. Oh, Benny Panahan and evening at Jano.
I think say I am up here Mukasoma Honka. The Owakuma bet me in sir. Obi was offer any penny. Obi was on person the person will break key ice no. Enti sana na wo kano. Bobema ne ho gap kakra. Say na be naturally ankasa communication is so tie na wa chere indirectly so don so tie.
Don so tie.
Me mum de me nya ave me nka bi da.
Dey bia break communication.
Dey bia be na ye jai me.
Oh. Obi no be jai na je so no hu bibi o because San go fana dey be jai wo mo no. Omo be di wani ana wa for bag. What I say?
Okay, when I watch them here.
Sanity, so usi unya obi da dey be omo na jai.
Omo na jai me na.
Into wo ho but uni ho. Into Onua he dey wo ye na also sorry. Because o man ho mate.
Ne ho mate. When I watch them here.
It is na o type of people san omo tie.
Okay. Me book compare the AC because me dey na am rape me say adaje na ya abo me.
Oh, because I feel so when you be one, no matter how busy you are and as you get you find a little time to spend with them. Intadaje bo saying time I open na daje mo.
Me de my trip pen ato ho as sen ahwe say I had is call to me di be mana me di for ti me gusu sia.
Enti wan na mo hyeda you know say dey we enko yi wo sha sa do energy na akogum nipa kwa na energy ne be ma chill de na afi wagye mu abon so.
At the point, the thing is, which much but because sometimes it would look like you guys are going back in circles. Same thing, you keep talking about it all the time. Starting, sometimes they might tell you, it comes both ways. Which much say, where do you say, that is going back in circles. So I almost say at the point, you guys are just talking about the same thing, arguing about the
same. They say, but me no sha say me catch me djuma na je me time bebre o say nye hwe
say we say asema ye be kama boni aboni tinko kuli de I the dance so what they make can say in the starting no every second everybody wants to see somebody, every minute everybody wants to be around somebody, but at the point me and you, we can't predict how busy we can get. Your normal routine ayenim, but sometimes you be boom might me adaje to the extent of who are home truthful, but when many at times quite silent. One kasa poba pekin po na bia na your boss bi na efra wa return call ti bo apayo mu no nyese bia we yi we nyama wodofo na emu madaje na ebo wa enya de a wo wa plan etimi si impofri mu akwai se bi bi wo ha ye utimi di agro ben sikafo bia obeti o mase phone na da silent na enya say bia bo apayo mu no open sa but bia say na why so focused on something sometimes when person be distracted no. So yam prompting and say, oh,
phone ring
and so penny won't need you bed on shitting noon and then see anyone need ya. That is really way feed your impo. And yen a pet sanko better than a hokoma, but sometimes you can get so busy to the extent that I didn't say a couple of hours, not any days, not any weeks and all that. And say, I don't know, Sano. I am advice I made the mammy. My colleagues or anybody who is in a good relationship, and they say as much as communication no to appeal no na enya wunti no untimi mfa ho nhye ne shoes no sometimes
I just at
until sometimes ko wechi mienu na kan say okay me ma na mre me san so ka ne say oh you say your communication so ti unti na wa adwene aba so but men ko attacking sometimes if you to be wa oba na hey and no unti empo biom
this address
yes boko unti o massage ne kakra oh jo I need a casa 3 or 4 times. That's easy as well to you. Now I was shy time many times when I meet me the friend. Casa then casa because open ye. But penny and I me for win no so work of food. I don't know. Now for send you obi antane baby. Okay. Because all disrespect me and I say umbu medjuma. When you anto ananyere nyentu. Into the end of the day I think say communication no. It depends on how you approach it. Obi ade enyepe. But open year, you KK approach. What kind of
but sometimes it's what to me say what can boko asa what can they say you know we say to the relationship and you say you all the time. I thought I cry one side cry on pekasa. What I say but no mom no actually say communication I say what can
that's a far. There's one thing I believe in. I believe in growth. Growth in you say emre pure ha. And you matter of walk away now of course I be ya. But me was me metaka. Yan will be a mobi and there will be some movie. We have choices. Who feel say, it's not gonna work out. Find a way and peacefully move on. That's what I can say. Because then I want good dim na come say beauty frache. Obi mre wash obi boom. Obi ne kid mre kidney, right?
Yeah.
Should be mukra ye jai no sebio ye jai no. How much more well mama no move from crutch and I'll be share along the way.
Monye say miss twins.
What they make an say? Impunta for crane sebi be poco. Mupo mufi fumba ko pie 1 second. And as a bia buana when you see in 5 minutes. And 2 minutes. Omumpo kromoko how much more could you be? Never buy or person in the box. Brana so could be babema or nikobo bra boom. Emfa. Find a way to move on. I feel like sometimes we're too stressed in over explaining. If it's not going to work out, find a way to move on.
I think say disappointment and then moving on here difficult. The promises be a more the plans you had together. Na fe when you say journey neighbor and dear disappointment in the man moving on Asia.
It's true. And I know so na my nipa. But so I say kwasera, right? What is meant to be is meant to be. Sometimes there are some things called fate. FATE. Oya den will say it is bound to happen. So at the end of the day, moving on, say you can never have a broken heart when there's no love. And akuma be ne kubu. One dra we be in a broken heart. But The maturity is about finding yourself back, telling yourself who you were, and how to grow. And I am maturity. The be say easy to type motivational messages on your phone, but to leave it in angas and adding.
And easier said than done.
Easier said than done. And no. Until at the end of the day, growth is about you.
So what want to was here?
Obi ntimi to us. Why your number one fan? Nan kind nya bonus.
To be disappointed because share can be brave sir.
Ebe count because you nipa.
But enye be brave.
Man higher percent exactly.
Love is difficult. Ana
no crying to kana me gogomi amediko share gogomi. If the other year me gogomi pende head oh yeah.
Me enko gogomi.
It's official. Shawty say I be original general. Still feeling your hips. I hope I am topping your list after this kiss. So baby, make we start.
No, before you go into the song, I hope I'm topping the list after this kiss.
No, correct.
Not just a wouldn't say nya unkwana wo.
Well, so me when the bunny.
And sometimes we know what we are getting ourselves into, but still as humans, you know, we still go ahead.
See, there's always beauty in taking a risk. That sounds weird. In a sense, obi wa ha ye no kasa sisi a otare obi mpena ho a onim se epono ne di twirichi se ne ebi epono na ebia ne gone too soon ni. But the risk ne mana ogusu bata ho ono onim de opedi ewu. What they make an say? I don't know here. Say you odifo bi so betu no fu. Or so no an cycle no tu no fu. But you see, obi ade nya ho de. Who feature kakra bi man yes okoji the whole track. Eti no di ulemu. Risk your positive risk and your negative risk. But then you know individual on so. But
say we also o say o feature there but o energy na be kire say I don't know what to take you over.
And I say baby kwa say bi ma ware obi ko ware obi anayi obi and I say I mean say a good thing. But then on one eventually by ware they have become super married people now, or maybe probably when they were in the process of divorcing, not abranti or I'm as see our fan am or be a choice. We are there sometimes some things you can't phantom about it, you can't predict it. What did they make an say? But and I make an say, oh, do you lay more respectfully do you lay say, oh, features were you're careful because at the end of the day, anything you know, is equal to happily ever after.
No. So when you say the person is in a relationship,
no correct baby in culture.
Yes, unim. Nto don't say one wow.
When they ask me she a stranger. And you know me she a stranger na. Me a explore me call abon it because if I catch him say 10 days, 10 days I make 10 days and I can't go 10 weeks.
You got tired of waiting.
It's while I was waiting, I will pass it through baby no. And I make sure I share my time at 9 minutes after 6. I'm still feeling your hips. Not just a baby, I'm a tarry baby. Picture no. And I hope I am topping your list after this kiss. It's
official. Shawty say I be original general.
Just a go me no way in it. Go me no way in it. Fine face with a bad. Yeah, you bad me a bad pass. Yeah. Who say crime no they pay? One Saturday I pay your long guts. Yeah. Girl, your body no be easy. Ubekumi, take it easy. This your mouth for Lisa be kissing murder, but I'm catching feelings with a bad. Go me no way in it. Just like go me no way in it. 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 Just like go me no way in it. Yeah, be my suicide note. This girl take my life. The fear signboard say don't mind your wife. Smooth operator, dangerous at night. Take me low cause I'm too scared of heights. Yeah, there we go. One day born, one day die. I'm ready to download my pew in your thigh. No sleep, no butts, no babies. Girl is just sex. I'm just here for babies. Yeah, Maggie sexy. Go me. Or type the nya ibenya man on it. She be pay as you go. All about the paper. Damn, what a night with a stranger. Ooh, baby. Oh, you're sexy, go me. Ooh, baby. Hey, go me no way in it.
Let's just say, okay, say, we don't pay anything permanent too. Just for the night.
Ogomina no hoye ni de idea. The
because I say I'm not here for the sex. I'm not here for babies.
Debbie. I'm on fan quite na.
Sometimes we intentions no. But who dear be yet? No akoka ho.
Enti no. So come square. You get this third track in the batch me the
No, what if Eva comes back?
Say Eva dem nyane boni o. Ono no obum delay 30 sit
no, enti Debbie say only Eva when I be boni.
Eva 10 days.
Oh no, when no girlfriend to her. If for a lawyer person, oh no girlfriend to her or say me ba.
10 days. I done it 10 weeks.
Obeba.
Akeka ko 10
so
months.
on kan kire o say omba. Maka je say twentena ha twen me ba. O ma me kodwom. O say wundidi minim say wundidi titina ha me ba sisi a. Na o neighbor no aduane na wafa chance an kogina ho.
Who say featuring no. Apart from record label no. Sometimes there were compilation beat to me pie. Na agbele me and the wild me intro ni outro bi ho. Kasa ya me kan kasa kwan no tie. Relationship until say me in my head until say relationship edu aware no mo mienu nyina na freestyle mo nyina mo pempem ko obi atra obi abeti meje obi a until say do some pempem so whereby bia na knocking a beam ni and no crampo still no
and I registered
and no crampo still cram na rehearsals grounds na still mo nyina no because what china bi obeti maka say new club afa me me nyambo mo team no enti no since akoye trials no mumia still most study mo sua mo still because obi an figure obi out in wie da enti no since you're my girlfriend you're my boyfriend aye nyina your relationship no
so anything can happen
say what
overtaking is allowed
and on asem ana gogomia ne hoye ne dey bo ha baby na mo hia o ana gogomi ne hoye ne dey you know so no obu ne mu sa akokono akokono everywhere and it's totally agogomi and you are just in the moment, you understand, with a stranger, but regardless, you know, you can still bounce back home and still, you know, still patiently wait.
Na sa so bana me man kwana man nyina to me ekọ bounce back esa abetenem
makoye be me dey metimi akasa ma me homo. I think say I know say it happens from incommodity, I know it happens at the man's side.
Okay.
But for the women, since Omakoye ni pay possible. Just a mean TV.
On TV.
Mean TV so be akasa me kwatwa si ya samba be pama no. But ya chibi so da.
Inti una okra oga osa wo kwa ba na okwatwa si ya oba obeto so a reaction be dey.
So ba na be che me na se me na me kwachi oba na.
Una be che no so na wotu kwan say una akoye Eva no. Who Eva side of the story.
Yeah.
O say Eva me ba akodi 10 weeks 10 months now by finally wa ba na Eva akwatwa si ya ba. So
you see, there's forgiveness and there's moving on.
Okay.
Sometimes you can forgive and still quench it, and you can still forgive and move on. It depends on the individual, no? Because at the end of the day, say in your scenario, characters in your
yes.
Now, pan say, sa character I be me able to obey be openadia. Yeah, also funny sir, because like I said, you know, rehearsal grounds nana mujina no. Worried dia a different story altogether. Because you can say for better for worse. Now I don't confront time picture worse, no. I'm as in some words.
But WORSE.
Worse. One take it and cry to eat me bitch worst. What did they make and say nobody can predict the worstness because Sebi will beat me worry be not Sebi are the chain nini. If it's for worst in the wish and you have to stick to the person till thy kingdom come. You can't predict the worst. But for better, no, we only emphasize on the better. Better na a moment na montina when you do woman. We also always or worry we are chain once you no money be.
Broke.
Yes, you have to find a way to still stick to the person because and yen same words. I am not confident of better for best. WRDS and your words worst. So since you can't predict the worst, when you do no can't vow no, what bind it forever. And I said you to fracture, but now worry no said you so ye diane. And or jollof a kai who says I jollof na woody aqua woo. Man, say when I jollof in neck a
can
there be to a channel compare if anything tilapia be a feature. No, you are sticking to that.
No matter how subanity would date your worry, it should change.
It should change.
Oh, worry now you're indisciplined or you're irresponsible. Oh, warrior. I was also say be a winyan worry you receive no race or receive and then they'll be a kuma shed up nim. But so when you warrior, you have a lot of responsibilities to take care of.
And psyching mind as well. As I'm here now, I don't drink, I don't smoke, I don't mind whoever does
Nancy,
No.
time.
So anytime people see me on stage, I'm say, hey, now energy.
Yeah,
Yeah, I psych. I psych imagine and say, yo, Joe, this moment is my work, job, time. No time for jokes. It's me. Send the panomotina how I'm 5 oh. So we 5 million oh.
When you read
The same energy all the time. Because you see, when I step somewhere, man, because Sebi Omajidi and Asobidi Miu. Yeah, it's going to be their first time. What do you want to leave in the person's head? So only I couldn't then or the eco fee. Or kind of artist no mobile say, oh, yes, and go from over here 10 or mobile to tone No. I was okay, oh, so I branching and oh, one cash. Oh, the no channel. I was no Okobin Kuni, Fanny, no children on a crowd near Casano. One money be the Akufi. And at the Otnemo, Nimo the Dasso no. Because I hey, mini panano. What's the mechanism? And at the time will cry, oh, I know, but why not? Because I know, but that's an FM. You know, so you still have to look at that 3 categories and still leave something in their heads. And that's how I take my work seriously. Into me, no, me just penny some baby, I all out. Me ma. I call it collaborations. Me kase me ya. It's to the fullest. Me nya me hame ho because the more
risk anumpo. Oh nya. Your mother's said the crana.
Because you do. Sometimes you see the future of the thing. Relationship near key. Future of the thing. And I don't know so a chia ultimate to be. What did they make an
answer? Show be a
so only I can see why. Until the end of the day, because you don't know the lifespan of the music, put your whole in there. Send by at the end of the day, no yamin child and a jig bang a jig whistle.
Yeah.
And what's he asking? I think say Obibia or Bibiano is either wholeheartedly or don't even start. I found and for him. I said, I quite am a tromojo. As a while, we shake a
woman to us or men chassis.
No credit.
Oh, so want to men chassis. Want to me, want to me yet till end.
And don't even start it.
A microphone for my in torso.
No credit.
It is a relationship, Mona say, wouldn't so call warrior. I dare to call relationship, no. It's either you're going to better yourself and I say, would I cry?
Because I think it's a step in the so your apex of it. Ubi how said you or anyone can say, oh, me the story, do I go pass.
And you're nice.
Nah, Obi and shell. Circle worry.
Any time limit to set time, say, also worry by force.
What's he say?
No.
I think say and say put the this pressure and tone it down because connected to when I say hey who knew and I yes I chile wow said be to me kind of wow dinner. I think say it's all on the individual. At the end of the day, to have a family is beautiful, but I always say worry because somebody told you because when you what's it say? Some people marry to please others. Some people do other things to please others. Wrong because oh na could do why jana shifan won't take it time wow nipa could no complain almost you must atana ho
only be a baby
yeah o more appear for no yes answer cho was complain do tana ho so at the end of the day they do what you know wa come pe because naturally you say a passion and I say something that you love wholeheartedly no ye mpo kra na many I say when you're doing it you don't expect anything in return. Same when who share a dibna a idea wapa. I get you any crowd. You just enjoy doing it. Yes.
I quite say musicians who want more religion in your match. None a fancy and really easy. What you saw the young about, then you don't want to becca. Oh my gosh, I will pray and I'll print our Russia and our time with Germany. See. But in give you a wild say at your own comfort. And I don't know buyer.
We're paying to for them. I mean, can you see? Our fellow artists, right? Too many artists that I know, too many great songs sitting on computers. In whom a bomb when they are about to release. But my mom wants to hear them. Can I tell you no? Na channels near Kakrebi. And as our channel Kakrebi no. Na your vetting be to the extent of onya they can't hear do radio no so. She say in Yamen Chad we are sending time. Yes. In your comfort zone or if you're in your home, no habit me releasing po. Ne mom adisuana so wom ehia. Adisuana woman who here in a sense and some be releasing no online there be some steps to take in releasing new songs. Tell you mobile phone we are saying that yensa yen okwa e be kire us okay we be release after stores we here these days for promotion who feature obi a obi hear some clearance na ya na he kakra sometimes but train say and clear naturally 1,000 years ma can it to me feature Felicia so anka 5 seconds na anka but see the young clear okra wa hwekra odi pia na ya say block nyum no kra mo say see mu media kra mo bonyuma Facebook na dey me block sound because of copyright na ade and I Feli ebedu mpempen so bi whereby once na see nyum blocking ade yeah, just ebedu mpempen so bi whereby we hear clearance in create it can have a week or two ahead. That's no more the nyum ya and sana nipa no crab radio because one hwekra me adot na you if you know it's the nyum to phone no and sana mba release song no ye wo fie ye nsua ade me sua ade pa titi obi nim so a obi kire frefre industry friends ni be never feel so be inferior say want no e bia no nyum na e pap na the communication and as only a kasana amfa ko bi ho na men cha the solution ni nyina nkra ba ko
debi nya send ba ko for
yes me say I'm very free with some of the OGs o ba na me nyom bon komo a asa me nyom ne omo ye sabio me mate nya sabia by conversation but I mean say sabio me mate in the sense me nyom to atwa adwene a me person me who what happened at their era how I can better mine now but me say backdoor research will be nyina hobi and your friend say obi friend nyame na ye den
obi nyina ho
it is good to research when you are coming out believe in the song
na nyom na dey go laptop no so no nya kokudro
release it because
obo how feel say e bia na mblo o feel say omunim say he's into rap into FA or the song go ba e because rap na fa ma no obeye so ehun ni suro
and I say obia so ka say obia so nipa nyina do so aden due in a sense say odi be odi say 100% and the best support to her and why you mistake
David
you should always have that one person who be like you there and you way now to me here so nipa ko no ka say way now to me here no fa ne ye case study na san show ni akono man a couple of months because hey what say what say ho because some people speak without even knowing what they are saying or kasa because sabi your internet or kasa because I say headlines, but break headlines. Someone kind content in it, you know. I'm saying, oh, we share or the do be at them. Meanwhile, I kind call down. Kobe say some no cry fan who cry. It's you know, I don't blame them too much. What I can say for sure is that when it comes to this creative world, one kasa personally sunyade. Usunya, say wow number one fan. Now when you no man one kasa de. Send be obi bia be support your energy wow di teach na.
Oh. Promo na do ho agimbi.
What the mekanasi?
Yeah, nya ho e we studio hanom sweetheart tell me say odo ben ade no.
Yes, it was.
Akwa ba.
Yeah na.
You. O de dey na everyday crime.
Okay. Me FM Victor Imagine Flip graphics.
You.
I'm a digital painting artist.
Wow, Pacho kasa kese
digital painting artist.
Digital painting artist.
My name is Kakao and I'm a frame na person.
What do you na?
I'm the computer na draw.
Enya on samboa. Because mo de mo sa draw wo man na ense wo mu. Because we na ense na me no keka se meka se ense no kodwi foforo. Enya me na de bre me de na so me kyirem. Obi ma jake apia bi jake apia hwe anya camera ko de ta na so. Titia no me nyina man se nyina ehwe wo. Se wo jake apia fa na no anka ba hwe na ni mo de hwe bo no akwa we pa.
Wow.
Oh, wait, wow. This is
Yo, let's put our hands together, man. Yo. Wow, this is beautiful.
Wow.
For me.
What's
the name? What's the name, sorry? Imagine Flip. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Imagine Flip. He gave me this beautiful portrait, and I definitely will put it in my art collection section where the spotlight na tosono na mesra we tiefo na ahwefo se na efi we me man pim ko bi dia manasa mbo amane nyaa fa nyame nsura ne kese ema no afei so ye de ne socials betudwa na mo patronize no.
Oh, this is nice.
I love this. This is beautiful.
Imagine Flip nyame nsura pa.
Wow.
For the hard work. But social media handles
any numbers so mesra.
My social media hand is near Imagine Flip.
Imagine Flip.
Oh, X, IG.
Yeah.
And a baby Facebook. Na ope use my number na WhatsApp near 0272.
Yeah.
81 25 23 0272 81 2523.
Imagine Flip. Thank you for your time. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, this was beautiful. I'm so grateful. Listen, Imagine Flip. Yeah, you're very near. No, you're very near. This is just the beginning of the start, and you're very near. Oh.
Imagine Flip, thank you so much.
Imagine Flip.
Girl, you see your time before. Go me the way you need, I beg you give me more. Go me the way you like how you know the dog. Go me the way you need, you want me on the road. Go me, girl, you see your time before.
Why now? I'm from say new artist, no?
Yeah.
New generation, right?
Yeah, Generation X. Oh, Gen Z's, no?
Yeah, Gen Z, like.
No, maybe to Kolo. So originally, Mr.
Why now? I finished say, like back then, no. What's it? You had this
Click and Squad, right? Semaphone.
Opanka.
Okay, so Opanka stage Yapuno
It's so golden. It's so golden.
I don't know.
Video in my head that now interview, so you had to stand up for somebody to sit.
No.
Yapono.
Yes, Napono Ketchesu were inside.
Na Ketchesu inside.
Yes, Ketchetu me right.
The intenteno.
We Andrew, which is Ketchet Andrew.
Yeah.
Aha. Yapono ni Angel na tena hono. Ephraim na way chire hono. I think say me who Zizu so ho and a Ginger Man and Zolobema.
Na mo kwai.
Ne yakwa bomusu. Eastern region abomusu kwa mine kwa so. Na yebe kono. Fachemio, some of them a bit like I said, many of them okay, but higher percent of them major into the limelight. So some way somehow they wanted to drop most of them. I'm saying my boss on the internet and I also.
Oh,
what he has because you know only them pictures some moment you know. Unse kan in collaborate me quite sketching. Na say be ayenti into ya ma wona wan kobi.
Na ya oja.
Now you from Soko school on a bat in the Tujawa that day will be the longest day for you.
And see that.
What he has seen, you know, with that, and I just pictured that said no. Whatever the experience we're going to have.
Also
bia.
Oh.
That's how come we had to make that happen. Now, car bisu Sandy and you heard the AC ain't been but shout out to King Mojo to try. Car be the car no speak our fast speakers anyway sounds. See, guys to say on my this year. I think say Joe Moore, any other squad, not
and no mono.
So we all just had to box Eddie Carey. Yes, Eddie Carey so can any other squad. It's you know your dog and a koi.
Oh.
What you are saying there we never knew
so be any everybody was so happy to be there. One they say yellow no.
Angel Angel Town, yes. Angel Town they say yellow. You know, I think say the beauty of it is yenyini from that time till now yenyini abidum pempen so whereby to my history no yentimi nka bi enjebi and I say when hu ha na won kan wo kan ho but so time is a moment no yeah for some energy be near the core
say the mo come chanka then I best from this day
first of all kabat me fa kakra say kakra
till be be comfortable
and two bebre so didn't pursue it too much and I say bebre like that because I think they didn't really to see the foresight of it. They were just enjoying the moment and the fun of it. But one good thing about music is in a retirement age.
With the
99 crowds me.
Oh, time.
I always over here. Me also I'm a freestyle. Been my mind. Tema calling. So our freestyle no was to wake all of them up because no artist is dead.
No,
they can only be lazy. Or you lazy no one find a pen and I want to.
And I say who no.
Frightening put the one chain.
Because I believe say you put no feel but sure so what try no more the now or yeah Juma or cost studio.
RIP to those our brother. Zolobema
because I say Jonas.
There be Zolobema. Wakabebi. RIP to him. Yeah.
At you for say how your mother no artist is dead.
No artist is dead. They can only be lazy. Because of fat pen to see I know the lyrical prowess too more. Wait, me a magical song.
Once a soldier,
Always a soldier. So you need to obey me because meaning to you too. I just say, oh man, no matter.
Until the bones are rotten.
Exactly. You know, artists know. One thing is, oh, basuna one of the best things you can do is consult.
Bisobi
Say, Joe, I mean, we open the saying, and I may pass me sing to any because we say, oh, basana be na acha. Only few comes with vim with one kasa it's bijina. Yeah.
The BCBNC.
It's because now naturally, one, you love what you do. Two, you believe you can do it. And the music and kasa, as much as we are pros, we are still experimenting. Being or the best defined song or the bound outcome. Say and you never and radio so and that's the original stage, you know. Reaction it to me who different of how you wrote it. Because we me try or tone you na or the next going to oh and I saw the next going to say come read it also so try to be one trend sa. Oh when nipa ko reaction she was saying seminar ko run.
Yeah.
That should tell you say music is very very powerful. Na dey it me pattern to kwa.
No crisis aware.
Okay. Music starts from birth to death. Yeah, oh, now you didn't now have a see aqua, oh, baba, any packets here, oh, sounds so quiet. Oh, dear, John, oh, quick, jojo. Music starts from birth to death. Until ya dear, the diagro. Naka, save you, you can be, you know how to, you can be. Lucifer, not a position yet, then.
Yum to me.
No, your choir master.
Yeah.
Tis a pussy hen, and ultimately 2 8 oh, so that he may move according to what we read. Come on. Yanka say no accountant too.
Debbie.
And Yanka say a manager.
A musician.
No, you.
Ope mu kwa no dancers, but you tune in tie mom di. Tina dance abegina na so.
That's right, remember dancers now. How you check it out?
Enye almost sasa ketegina. Those days unity and unity how is it?
Enyirai better sonati. Enyirai.
Let's say uncle obi aye busy. Obi aye busy. Baby aye family man. Baby madoso. And I feel so let me say and catch it can easily come back. The hand say we see I know so akwa yesika. Kan ne odone adaje. We had the love, we had the passion, we had time. You see akwa yesika assembling people is not easy. Because me say me friend now for in the industry and say oh me program wa akoja me. Much also assume say me budget you see Mr. Bit me akoja me. Sa na ye ka no. Aha, me nka say oh na wo adaje na say oh ni hwe ye da bi. Nti me ni obi akasa obahwa business talks me frɛ catch me frɛ stage me frɛ Donzi me frɛ PCC and the Eddie music. Omo nyina me frɛ omo a I won't say so na jo oh oni hwe but say na no dey. Chairman, 2 questions. Chairman, but you say, me de kaseng. And our chairman, my home didn't say, if it's my baby, to know Felicia for all times if you
and that's the maturity when you're talking from artist to artist. Many a times you're hearing from someone by beside artist or by just saying. You ask those questions for event organizers and I say other promotions for. But from artist to artist, oh Joe, Charlie, my home didn't say, oh, you bet my baby. And I, oh, chairman, now we know how me de kaseng. A nice way. Obi say challenge me person me go conference center obaje me sing. About 3 trillion on your money.
That's what man.
It's in artist, I think one of the business aspects is we find a way to speak to ourselves. So it wouldn't look like you don't say this guy they charge me say one time he say on your money in juma no he.
Yes.
Too new budget so I na let's not be a crybaby too much. Maybe say baby na maswa I move on. It's called maturity. That damn home person remember. But men say one can say oh but you last time you know say la. I get them before any property. Na me wo. Yen fan kasem. Fasisi a kasem. And I say you say obam so na be kira wabomu. Ana this a hon so na 100 is na be ye abomu ketwa cool. So
Felicia that is ka show ho no. Na wa chile.
Ubeko buffet straight. And yeah
fork and knife.
We no me saying sa na be kasa. We no me saying because I shall wata so. Ben shall I say
mommy na ho aye din.
Mommy na last year saying. What is it? What is so mommy in no warning track I know. What is it?
Cryme.
Yep.
Back then one na rap pa. Bass ni na mo kono.
You know.
Bia e killer.
I won't be on style.
Oh, me hui.
And I won't say the then say me introduce you one on my hit it. And you know. Obasha back in the days, you know.
Yeah.
Me body and I kicking a rap. Not just say
so bia e ready.
What you say? These are trained lyrical artilleries, trained lyrical mouth guns. Aye. So that is a no mistake now.
Oh yeah, they can create a sound.
Na kasa yeah kasa rap na rap in the crowd no. Obi de obaje say kasa ntwi but rap a watch. Yeah picture nipa no address wo say ye trim. Nti nim na ye mistake na don ho be wo bo obi din obi a.
That's a rap battle. Be finish so.
Otutu ntakra straight.
But Crawford, you know more bass anymore. You want them to start writing and I say start coming to see Crawford, you know more bass anymore. You need to see them. Wake up from your slumbers. Sorry.
Oh, if I have the chance, I'd rather say all my time sleeping artists should wake up. Because wake up. But here I say, can I first time my boy say ba na obia air dash it. Rap mu Ferrari one dey cool la kwagase wadashi otwea wa anka bete na wayase obi ni pons baako eso so chen pampram nsase so so wake up, the game is falling. Here I'm calling sakode enkwan to be nye we here supporting sorry lazy artists are more down more coffins R2B's in KB in my JJ Rollins Tabita kum achia na embuye momo yenke jangum yen hwe mane nse yankopon yo jafadum eja yaba wonim jesra wo hira yansa na bonunum.
All time sleeping artists.
They should wake up.
Wake up.
It's my city. I'm fighting for my city.
Oh, yeah. Time was so we didn't please yourself. Fine girls in our class with Dr. Cryme and a baby common song gonna be available on every streaming platform. On all digital. Spotify, Apple, Audio Mac. Okay. I'm Amazon, Tidal, Boomplay, baby, and on YouTube. So Eva video near our bunting. You see, as a new video has also dropped here, my lover. Now, all the rest of the videos will come. It's in Opadina, Dr. Cryme, a DRCRYME. DRCRYME. Shout outs to my team members, Big Osei, Omarion here, and a shout outs to the guy who just brought the painting. You know, imagine. Image flip, imagine flip.
Yeah.
Something flip.
Yes. And I'm glad that he ordered a number 2. It's here for God bless everybody here. And, you know,
thank you so
Felicia
much. Felicia
yourself.
Thank you so much for passing through.
Bless
You. Take us go.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,